Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to fix the Epic Games Launcher download error message thing where it says that your system apparently has not been modified. I don't know I don't know why it does that. I just know how to fix it. So yeah, here it is. It says the Epic Games Launcher setup wizard ended, and it says that your system has not been modified. I've no clue what that means. We're just going to go and click finish. So yeah, very straightforward. What you want to do is you want to go and type in on your Windows search bar task manager, click on open, click here or press enter, whatever. You can also right click on the taskbar and click on task manager. From here, we want to go up here across from processes, and we want to click on run new task. From here, we want to go and locate where the installer is downloaded. So we're going to click on browse, go to wherever you installed it. So for me, it's on this PC, local disk, users, Edward Black, downloads, and as you can see, it might not appear here or wherever you installed it. You just want to go down onto this box here just above open and cancel, click on that and click on all files, and as you can see, there it is. And then we're just gonna double click on it, or you can click on it and then press open. We're also gonna hit this box, create this task with administrative privileges, click on OK, and it will run it. And now if you click on install, it should not have a problem doing its thing. So we're just gonna let it run for a sec. It's installing DirectX. And bingo, as you can see, it fixed it. So yeah, it's a very easy and straightforward fix. So yeah, now just if it needs to do an update, just wait for that to do its thing. As you can see, it's on my desktop, so it is installed. We're just going to stick it there. And yeah, I am going to leave it here. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope this video helped. Make sure you leave a thumbs up. Also, make sure you are subscribed and you have turned on the post notifications. Go and check out the two videos on the screen. Go and check out my other channel. Link will be in the description. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.